Marc P891, engine number 72.
I'll bring you guys with us just a second.
Now what? Try one? Yep.
Do you know what you're doing?
No.
Sorry about your bad luck.
No. No. I'm going to say one more time.
Okay.
Do you know what you're doing? Say no.
No.
Good. You're well qualified. Keep up the good work.
Okay. That's good.
You're always learning if you don't know what you're doing.
That was so worth the build-up. Really good.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Q416 guys, so I'm gonna catch him. So about and I got screws my grump.
You want to try one? You can just try the other.
How you doing?
Good. How about you guys?
I'm doing good.
Still misbehaving.
Good. That was mine.
We're clear at P891. Okay, go. The lake
Now that's for a Mark.
Oh, hi. It screws my grump. That ain't a stud. Ladies, man. Yeah, I agree. It is a little hot.